once and for all, it never happened. Catherine Coleman, female evangelist, God raised her up, amazing, young female evangelist, winning people for Christ. Power of God, amazing.
Yeah.
And then she got married to somebody else's husband. Divorce, married him,
Yeah, many times over.
and she's depressed, she's disappointed, she's discouraged, and she's walking down a cul-de-sac in New York, a dead-end street. And she said, Lord, if you can do something with nothing, do something with me. She says, please forgive me, Lord. The Lord spoke to her clearly, said, Catherine, have you repented? She said, yes, Lord. He said, well, in my book, it never happened. It never happened.